This is a dynamic data and spreadsheet containing staff attendance. We have Sheet 1 Monday to Tuesday, Sheet 2 Wednesday to Thursday, and Sheet 3 Friday. What we want is to combine them into a single sheet inside this workbook. What we will do is to select and convert the data range to a table, Control-T. My table has header yes, then do same for others. Select a cell, press Control-T. Select a cell, press Control-T. My table has header yes. Then I'll go to data, then I'll select get data, navigate to from other source, then select click blank query. This will load. I will now put equal Excel current workbook open parenthesis, then press enter. This are my tables, then I'll just click here, OK. Then I have my extracted combined data. I'll click this, go to close and load, so I have my table here from Monday to Friday. So what I'll do for the time here is, to format the time, I can always clean my data. So we have our table Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Friday. You can also do any other formatting you like. That's how to combine different sheets into a single working sheet.